Welcome to Truehost Academy. Today we're looking into affiliate marketing. If you want to earn money online by promoting other people's products, this video is for you. We'll break it down step by step so you can start your affiliate marketing journey with confidence. First, let's understand what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money by promoting products. When someone buys a product through your link, you earn a commission. It's a great way to make money without creating your own products. You can work from anywhere and start with little to no cost. Now, why should you consider affiliate marketing? It's simple and effective. Many businesses use it to reach more customers. As a beginner, learning how to start affiliate marketing is a smart move. Let's get into the steps. Step 1. Choose your niche. A niche is a specific area or topic you focus on. This choice is crucial because it helps you target a specific audience. Selecting the right niche can make or break your success. Think about what you are good at and what you enjoy. If you pick a niche you love, working on it will be fun. Make a list of your hobbies and skills. Then check if people are interested in them. Look at forums, social media groups, and blogs. See what people are talking about and what questions they have. Next, evaluate the competition. Search for other websites and blogs in your niche. See what they are doing well and what you can do differently. If there's a lot of competition, it means the niche is popular, but you'll need to work harder to stand out. Step 2. Decide on a content platform. You can choose from several platforms like blogs, YouTube, and social media. A blog allows you to write articles and share your knowledge. YouTube is great for making videos. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are good for reaching a large audience quickly. Each platform has its pros and cons, so choose one that matches your niche and skills. Step 3. Find affiliate programs to join. There are different types of affiliate programs. Some pay you for each sale, while others pay for each lead or sign up. Research programs that match your niche and check their reputation. Look at the commission rates and payment terms. Make sure the program offers good support and resources. Popular networks for beginners are Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank. These networks are easy to join and offer many choices. Step 4. Create great content. Understand your audience's needs. What do they like? What problems do they have? Create content that helps them. Blog posts, product reviews, and how-to guides are effective. Videos and tutorials are also great. Keep your content simple and interesting. Use short sentences and clear language. Add pictures or videos to make it more fun. Be honest in your reviews and only recommend products you believe in. Step 5. Drive traffic to your affiliate links. SEO or search engine optimization helps your content show up in search results. Use keywords related to your niche. Social media is also a powerful tool. Share valuable content related to the products you're promoting. Use engaging images and videos to attract attention. If you want to boost your traffic quickly, consider using paid advertising. Google Ads and Facebook ads are popular options. Start with a small budget and test different ads to see what works best. To wrap it up, affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money online. Start by choosing a niche that interests you. Decide on a content platform and find affiliate programs to join. Create great content and drive traffic to your links. Remember, consistency is key. Keep creating and sharing content to grow your audience and build trust. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Truehost Academy for more tips and tutorials. Start your affiliate marketing journey today and make money promoting products you love.